Alrighty, we're getting ready to put some ribs on this thing. Let's get them ribs on there. Oh, they look delicious. Now, I'm going to tell you, these have been marinating all night long, this rub we have on it. Oh, yeah. Looky there. Put that one there. I got 4 sides here. Move these down a little because I got a smoke tube I want to set in here. And we're going to set that there and put the smoke tube right there, hopefully. Now, let's see what happens. Hopefully it'll be fine. I almost forgot some trimmings in no place, so I'm going to have to put my other rack in. And may do some moving around here. Let's see here. That's pretty good. Going towards the back a little bit. A little olive oil spray on it. I don't waste this stuff. I like to go ahead and put it on the grill with the rest. Oh, that's looking good there. That's a piece there. Put it right there. There's some of that. I bet that's going to work. All right, let's take a look at them. Oh, looky there. Sure looking good. I think we need to spritz them. Running at 225. It is really looking good. I tell you what, this is doing a great job. And we're going to look at this end. And we're showing 169, 170. Here we're showing 158, 156. And 175 back up that way. Over here, 142, 144, 173, and here 135, 160. Now, for some reason on this one, a lot of people say there are higher temperatures over this way. Of course, in the middle is the pot. I don't have a flame tamer on it, but the higher heat here, lower heat there. That's the end where the smokestack is. All right, let's get this prepared. We'll tuck that under a little bit. We'll put a little butter down. Yep, there it is. Yeah, not a whole lot. Looks pretty good. Get us a rib. Then lay it there. We're going to turn it upside down. Meat side down here. We're going to get a towel. Wipe our hands off a little bit better. Now, we are going to put a little butter on this one. Yep. Now we'll put some sugar, brown sugar. It's about the only way we'll have them anymore. Now let's fold them in. Fold it. Not real tight. I don't want to puncture it with the bones. Bring that over. Bring that down. Okay. And we'll bring this up. Yeah, we'll get that one on there. Let's do this. And we'll get another one here. There. Little butter. And let me put that on there so it don't blow away. Now I am going to put them trimmings right here. Yeah. All right, we have them sitting back in here. These here normally were down here. These were up here. This is cooler down at this end than it is this end, and there's our trimmings. We're gonna let that go for an hour or so. Let them get really good and tender. We'll be back. All right, let's see if they may be done. These are ready. Just pulled them off of the smoker. We're going to get them inside and let them rest a bit. That is 4 sides of ribs.
I tell you,
this is for our Christmas
they are
dinner.
Juicy. These are spare ribs. I didn't trim them up for Joe or anything. I just threw them in there complete. I trimmed off the ends and maybe a little fat and, of course, the membrane. And with this, we have corn on the cob, green beans, mac and cheese, a salad with cauliflower, baby carrots, bell pepper, onion, and broccoli. And I think it's with Caesar salad dressing. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, we hope you consider subscribing.